Hi, GC News. Mema Obia Akwawa. The latest and hot news in one and the Bremo and Uti Sebunya subscribe ya body and say over subscribe. Now like no say video. Gabby and say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When sa video we upload no. Also when sa can be. I feel we are one like video give us a thumbs up now feel share just say was so na e na amount for so enye bi na wo hwe na woni hu de e so e wo gara man ho ano afi ye hwe ensema abeto bo ye poso enti eye ensemu ya ababeto ba enti
Agyapadie buku na de baya na
Gabby
ifri hi
Agyapadie and your system num de dada
sa
only say me na me be ignite the current debate.
Okay.
Because now man for can betima bu bonkrofo journalists for ahodo o akenkan Kweku Annan mo
before awo be so mu aye no
before say me ba be so mu no aman for kan akan ba hu krofo a o mo atra Facebook aka ho asem a but no mo kan o mo analyze no the way I me call no.
Okay.
Enti me study adena analysis na me di wura mu no catch the public attention.
Okay.
And the man for a hurry
assume.
Na no cre Agyapadie book obiaka say fishing boa.
Yeah, ben na book you buy.
What do you mean? Obiaka say fabricated the year of boa. No cre.
Or responding to president directly.
Me obia.
Oh no aka say.
Obia was say no cre bia me respond to. Me say no cre. Ye wo mu ni say adeno ba 2016.
Okay. 2016.
Na nya Agyapadie.
Na den.
What do you mean? Me be the point na ba.
Okay.
And the bus system no.
2016.
Yes. And the kokoto aba. Make ye pass 2018.
Hot
You
news
call
all
NPP
time.
communications meeting. Ya bobia someone put the crazy the issue say document ya about system we mu. E kasa fa the achim you for penny fee. Ebe be kan yen. Eti how do we respond?
Okay. Yeah, but someone
Yeah. Gabby was there. What rubbish? Oh, we fake. What then? Mo bia ni actually. Aneja. Yeah, din. Eti ewumwa na revision by.
Revision of the book.
Revision of the book by.
Okay.
Na revision no by no. Revision no. Ni omo ye no eni.
Okay.
No mo ka bibi say COVID-19 eba 2020 eye den ena wo book mu ntie fake obi na edit omoboa.
But that's a valid point.
Omoboa me ba be chiro de nti omoboa. Book no according to what I heard it is alleged say the whole world only one copy was printed, not in this country.
Okay.
It was printed outside the country.
You heard.
Eti nkrofuko na eyo omodia no. Eto safe, special safe for the book.
When a publisher?
Media hu. Media chance na ma chance was wa me kan bi.
Okay.
Ne matene na me kan kire no. Eti omuhia na eja ya be safe. Omu kasa wi a no mu de ahye safe wi mu ni aloko.
Omuhia obuku no ho.
Omuhia obuku no ho.
Honanom.
Omo ye no.
Honanom na ye.
Me se omo ye.
Honanom na ye.
Na de nyani ba na jore.
Say ba nipa ba.
Yen conjure book from ayi.
Say
who is the author of Bible?
Bonintina.
Who is the author?
The Bible is a collection of books authored by different people.
Why mo? Enti Matthew who na jore?
The book of Matthew was written by Matthew.
Hey.
Now why?
Check it here.
When a chro Matthew.
Check it.
When a chro.
Me see check it. So enti wo mu hia na mo ahwe na mo de ahye back. Na me ye sure sa hase na de Gabby ko baby.
Okay.
And one particular meeting na Nyankopon pese o save Ghana nti no. Book no mo refi so mo de be hye save mu. Ana obi copy so. Wo hwe bi book ye kite ya, wo hwe mu a ho say photocopy. Right?
Yeah.
Photocopy all the pages. You could see say photocopy. Tinipa no photocopy ni nyina no. O dru fie. Ana odi ni phone scan ya na put into soft copy. Ana che o leak to abonten.
Book ya shada to safe. Yeah man, na che book no yempese ebekọ into the wrong hands.
Yes.
Omo ye book no will be so careless. say omo wie meeting beja book na to home fan she safe ni mu and at that home will be nya kwan bitimi a photocopy.
A higher modia.
Yeah.
And your public praise.
Yeah.
Apart from say more invite you be amra studio ni panoma. And the manager or office na wo bibi o hono ya wo de she save mu.
Yeah.
Na yem fan is all refi na ka office hono. No one fan she mu.
You are watching Juicy News
no
on
YouTube.
Hot news all time.
Ebia o refi ebia BBC ye.
A sensitive document dey beka so okay.
Me say ebia o mo loko one day and now nim kwanya nyankopon fa so ye na dwuma. Kwanya nyankopon fa so ye na dwuma ne bi.
Ba we ni atesem.
Atesem. Atesem no so no book ni nie.
Okay.
Eye adwuma. So ho ne tie no.
Ebia describe book no as edit as you go.
Omwa tie. Book no camera na capture on.
Yes, that's
what what's actually restricted.
Restricted or top or.
Now, there is something you people have not paid attention to. Share Asia Hasi. Any actual
AD 2020
revision.
Okay.
Revised version 2020 any. Now, Obi say Yabo Asasi Radio D0OM. Asasi Radio was founded in 2020. True of us. Absa Bank 2020 any change here. True of us. It is just no more can. Adi omo church say adna edi na omo boa. Look, let me break this thing to you. A member of the alleged family called me. Say na sabook we hope see enti wo gidi. And I say na menje ni bi na me chro ye. And was one ka say bi na ma chro.
Okay.
But some the TV super the church no just say me gidi ana. Then they pray.
Or wonder so wo gidi ana.
Sanda oka. Na mo didi na me no me te hode de. On the one kan je me say eti hope say come di we wo ma me nche ma me je kakra. Na de na ba de e ka de oba be ka je me say me gidi.
Da be no frɛ o.
O de ma me nka asem no mra. Wa frɛ me. Na nsen ya me ye
wiki ye mu.
Enye wiki. Be last week mu ho baby.
Okay.
And Walker. Now he made a profound statement. Say original book no, it was not Agyapadie. It was Asase.
Obi a obusa o se wogidi no.
Yes. Who dey tie? Me say Nyankopon person was supposed to asa. And I have the recordings here. Ma save no kama.
Okay.
Omo be challenge am bo radio ni TV nyina so. Was it was Asase?
Because I'm wondering, sir.
What did you story no? Was it was Asase?
Okay.
Now, omo bie Asase radio no. And obi say, ebe confirm book no.
Okay.
And omo change nkrofo do change call Agyapadie. Na obi a ye say opposition for na atro. Na senka Asase na wa bia Asase radio na confirm a.
Kenyaza o de bancha
opposition for na sa ka say and you could change the no from Asase to Agyapadie. Call Cambo story. Eti okasa na penam say kai.
But
my belief na ye 100%.
Mama tested the veracity of story our mama Mrs. Yeah. We nipa ne frɛ wo no. Or wonder say wogidi ana, which means that
sanu
onu amu no njindi.
Onye ni say.
Into obusa say na wogidi ana.
Na mo punim fifre bia na etini na. What nipa to a wo say dey.
Because me wonder obi a obusa say wogidi a ono be say twa no ho aka kyerɛ say book no kura say na enye title ni na title ni.
Wo ka some ma wo what say ade no enye papa but say some do kokko kan ye no ana say
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Wan share that wo kan na ni bad ho so no wo kyerem
also your voice no
na den me some omo pa ma me challenge me
okay
po
o wa ban mu
o say
sani pa no wa ban mu
o de nya botre da o fefe 7 to
oh say
me say I am throwing a challenge to them. Me jire mu amagana fo nyina. Omo se enye no kra. Omo nto snaps. Ye be ko omo feature ho a brem. Me so meto me snap no ma jire mu se wo de Ghana fo adi trafa mu hu nyina no. Me gi omo wu awu. Omo mfa nko bodua ho, ne yeso ye modua. Ne ye nyina ye ma hu 21 days ne ye hwe ne ebesi. Me mfa omo nko ayigbe wo.
Bodua wo
ye ko brem. Ewo book hu so I'm say no dia we should go there. What guys had got to 10 years in this as a movie. 9 years.
Na brem dey say
brem dia yiri so 21 days. What's that?
Brem ahono.
Powers de show. Apart from that, there is another Omo muti or mufri hono. There is another should be a dad at the entem.
Okay.
I honor him for no koyo moniama. Yan kohoso. Peking me etra me
but say when him so obi enu obi take this challenge we. Anything na auto na.
Oh, that be obi enu
obi be take this challenge.
So we can say ya did try to the so. I don't want to take challenge no. I don't want to take.
So uduabo
me what I heard, I believe this book 1000%. Etina me say omo pa ye nyina ye touch na apne yenko. I will stand in for all Ghanaians omo aka buiku ho asem na ma gi omo bibia soa
na momodua
eye breaking ground
ede na wo buku mu e ma buku yi eye authentic ma wo
wonim
ede na ma wo gi buku yi di
buku no nsem ewo mu bia esisi baako na who say president is smart so no person cool story no so o timi nkunu da
oye den na
o yes smart ekofa NPP be bata ho
how
wo kasa no body voice no no biantie the voice no.
Okay.
In the run-up to the 2008, 2012, and 2016 presidential elections, I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories aimed at attacking my credibility and integrity. In 2008, baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Kufuor was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tensions. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled Agyapadie is being peddled around by operators of the opposition as evidence of a grand scheme by my party to annex the assets of the state. These experiences.
So,
observation man.
Walker 2018, 2012, 2016. Was say I was the target. I.
Obokufon Sudin.
Yeah, before. Drew way so no. Was say I am my party. Bukwe NPP nka.
Also opposition na fabricated sabu.
Yes, against you or no any party. Party be na wo bukwe mu. One only party in film. Hey, we a party ni amefo anu metum because unso abusuanya bi eye.
Ma say election tin na book ye pie.
Me say ade apia di dada. Me dey here 2020 version. You see, me to me bo ase, me nya time. Emre bia me kwakoda na me kan. Na fe me sha say me analyze ade no. Na mo say, ade emu ohu. That time na Kwaku Annan eye o project ade no TV so. No awura ji Dear Chris, I'm see Debbie. I do as I say, yeah, muscle.
Now, say President Kase ne or non in a party na yet target, not or refer to opposition. He may be right because
baby,
what's the book to revised version 2020? But 2020, this book was not viral as it is in 2024.
It was not viral saying, I'm not for Nanka. She I say our makwa ma make ho asem. Be kwa trust station be me boss ayu super am be ka say be sorry free studio. Wonim za me kire wo book mu sika ye tua ma manfo to do ye can say damage control for ban no. Wo ba hu
e dey na wo book mu ma wo.
What you forward. First paragraph. Sum up everything. NPP enka ho. Period. We say to our future made up of present and the unborn, for whom this will of a nation is being prepared. Well, no, it's in quotation marks.
Okay.
to our foremost king, Oforipeni, the progenies spread across the world, for whom and to whom alone, who underline words, you know, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. Oba be kapati asem. Omu ye dia show for Oforipeni munyam. Oforipeni ofra aigwe. Ofra chavi. Maybe Paramount you sound him the day. Talk bisri.
Yeah.
Enti the day ni ha. Enti me menka ho. Enti omo ka ho no. Ense se ye makwan e ma busuakuo kitwa enti me fa Ghana Agyapadie nyina. No.
Agyapadie ben no mo fa.
What dey say eba? Ya bo boso ba. Hwe. Oye, wa bo omo yi. Me se sa book we was more of tribal than political. Because as a 2022 amanfo antie me send there koso NPP mu no more of tribal than political or mantimase
and then an koso would describe as tribal more than political.
Forward gonna was say as the heads of Nana Apianim Kwamframa, Nana Kuntunkrunku and Oforipeni, our people were never defeated in the wars of old. We were nobody's subject, and yet, after 1957, we were made to live in the shadows of a descendant of people who never defeated us in the war, whilst the Ashanti kingdom was uplifted to put us in the shade. What is it?
We see book in about NPP. So how do you relate this paragraph to NPP? Send a name to NPP munina. Miti.
Netie mi yepa. Baby, I make related to NPP. A family agenda. Yeah, but because a family members, you know, a war NPP mun. That is their leader. Our model for Akosro. What do you obeti bibiase? Obeti bibiase. Etiase, you know. What movie say? Rabi ya peja yifobi akoha ye show mo say politically no let's cut them. Then to we powerful traditionally, we should also be powerful politically. Ni nyina no. Now, what there because of
I know you won't say.
I don't know what try to how say benti ase.
Obi so beti ase differently.
Pebre now they kinkan. They follow events SEC okay. Ghana has it from 2017. Was it currently with Nanado in total control of the whole entity of Ghana? We have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochimai will be firmly secured and such control both financially and economically that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana.
Hopeson.
Yes.
Suswan pass will be a bonitiri mu pose obe fa omai niema through politics. Ususu sesa nipakuo no omo be tro dia to ho say and give evidence of whatever crime they are masterminding.
Really?
Who will do it? Baby. Who will do this? Why never say?
Why if you are on the breast and often is before you gagra.
No, but who will do this?
Me say the whole word. The book was just one copy. It was not printed even in Ghana.
But I know a kasa.
That's a guide. A kasa say.
A kasa. What? A kasa. What kasa?
Oh, baby. It's a project.
And it's not Bisa was say. Yes. When the publisher was it the whole world one copy per who published the book.
And baby say.
So when to me a massa details na a kasa.
My fro. I'm my information. Now better ha. Obeka say Hopeson a catcher me say.
Obeka. But who is the publisher in a catcher one?
What say?
Publisher in a catcher one.
Publisher in the Meda Kohunu.
But the whole world, only one copy in a publisher here. You must know the publisher to know so only one copy in a publisher here.
Now, and you patch him say, Undi Muslim Bush and no a catcher beno. Nipada or Ben Sayina or no air cano Undi Muslim Juana.
Many material nim nipa kura woka. When I walk until
I'm
you
not
bisa
obliged to mention.
Of course, but
information mikura. What do me ko jina baby aminka? What you say? The thing is here, black and white, and it's happening. What the NPP more who say yes, I didn't know you're clear no. Wherever, she was it? Waka baby, baby. Was it with the arrival of Nana? We see the rebirth of a second JB Dankwa who has come to the rescue. Now, was it in doing this?
If you join us on Facebook, at the screen also.
That's right. Was it? Why you measure that mamo? Mamo the rare book nangada. We no more there. I didn't know more say. We no go for edit no. Mo use we as Adam Beka. Media we na your photocopy from the original book no. Best any amount is here.
Okay.
Na mon project here no. Na manfu.
Difference woman.
Difference woman kra.
Oh, I see. The book here create different from the NAM social media
edition.
And
one more review here. Look, one more bo bidin wa hase. My main fanchiro wa hase. One more bo
graphs ne ayi nyina wo.
Share. What the metro
pie chart nyina.
Send here one more registered galamsey companies 332. Our more spread or more across our mutu galamsey. At the moment, ni nyina wo book we mu. Ni nyina wo book we mu. Share. Was it the technical team? The technical team led by the technical team led by D0OM Ofori Atta should further evaluate the following details in order to choose the appropriate site. Galamsey area ni ayeno. Green hano ahana go do ni nyina hyehyɛ no. Wa ho de ate no. Yabodi wa. So you are talking about what? Another thing was about what the person me burden na me di bedru hono. Was it in doing this? We need to be strategic. We should have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Ashanti, in other diverse ethnicities and lands. This will make them believe that they also have hand in the pie. It will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofori project. This point is crucial because with electoral policies, we have to have our eyes on the numbers. In the electoral process, we cannot be blatant until we are completely secured in the endeavor. This is especially so because so far, the Ashantis constitute single most populous ethnic group in the country. Now, share paragraph 9. Was it although the Ashanti group within the current NPP is gearing itself up to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024, it would be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. And I know what I'm saying. The flag bearer of the NPP
Ofri Wale.
For enough. Ain't you know? Said you moka Boakye Agyarko from Ashanti region. Adani from Ashanti region. Akoto Efra Ashanti region. Alan Kyeremanteng from Ashanti. Kwabena Agyapong from Ashanti region. Kojo Kyeremanteng from 6 of these from Ashanti region. One move behind you. Ebi krampo de omunya 0.
But delegates need decide here.
Oh, delegates saying that system.
Abattoir no was regulated by my party constitution.
Sister would be so din. Now they wouldn't want you boom for pampa momufi. Say,
how many places? How many places? How widespread was that? Nipa henna ya bo mo pamo wo mo during a year mo primaries no.
O pese a year 1,000 answer.
Me wonder ni impact ebe ma sa ne wo bu mu abamu.
Look. Share ye ko super delegates. Super delegates omo do saying. Ashanti region no do so kra no me saying 124 anamewa. There are some places we match them from a room to the center.
Okay.
I just said that you again. Wouldn't have said nana man for Kika, Sikadia Tutua man for 200,000 and 300,000. One day.
Nasa no dear Prime Minister be a Secrét bem.
Would you fair no to engineer no class assembly? But me pass me pesa would tell you say, the ya steady ever forward the Hano. Abam one as Abam.
It could be coincidental.
Coincidental.
Because circumstances
was reviewed in 2020.
Yeah, but Ninja make us a bit by coincidental and say circumstances, no.
Okay, wait.
The same all year round during primaries.
No problem. Memo, you circumstances are.
Okay.
Beba. But so NPP now cast out defend this idea. O mabe bodachi. O mabe bodachi.
Nyabutre me nene ye 111
Nyabutre boko me babusuafo nya bia mepe na busuafo enya bia mepe anti wo dey say nya no krama wa me
but say ene
under banking o ma categorize banking no into 3 mu use o mo ankasa o mo term o mo use mother or use biological children and adopted children. More than no age na home Bank of Ghana. Na a honum nieti omo pese omo take honi se. Omo kan se bas omo nya sika. Wa abrochi omo pese omo de ba oman no mu a. Send ye be ya. Eye for omo private business. Send ye be ya omo bitimaji. Sika no. Eti one who say obi adisike ba, you need to wire the money. And no go through the proper channel. Ya titi wa yi the source of a year a hodum so what declare ya titi no near the genuine money. Now ba. Ya one grofo so mutimi discover ha say ya and go through wire. Underground never be shim.
That's money laundering.
Yes. Na kwa money laundering. Eti yanhwe say ye benya e hodum. Eti wo kan ya was say, you can't say, more than idiot, there is no problem because governor no, I want side.
You waiting for when they add some about your so. And I was say, to so and our channel, so we are subscriber ya, or more than say, over subscriber. No, I like it. Nothing so was share video no, amount for any be after. Also, betting actually what you have and so we now will comment boxing. Waiting in by next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.